This is my self-remedy for my flu. My herbal medicine for cough, flu, cold, and fever. I put the lemongrass, ginger, garlic, the oregano, and I don't know, sambong. We call